Hey, what is going on, guys? Farm here, and before this video starts, I just want to mention, if you want to see the Minecraft light up torch unboxing video, please go to my channel and select the video. But today's main video is for the Corbin Ironclad Six Lever Padlock right here. Corbin Ironclad Six Lever Padlock. It's very nice, and it does have the key. I have another of these right here. Right here, the Corbin Ironclad Six Levers. And I don't have the key for this one. It does fit the key, but it cannot turn. I don't know why. It has different keys. Here's my Corbin Ironclad Six Lever Padlock. We're gonna open it on camera. Stick the key in, and it opens. Again, stick the key in, and it opens. Can also open the other way. If you see inside of here, you can very much see the two locking mechanism right there. Right there. It has two, one right here and the other one right here. So these are very high security, more than the ones we have today like Medeco. It's a very nice high security lock from Corbin Ironclad Six Levers. I did make a video of all my lock collection, so if you want to see the video, you may go to my channel and also subscribe to it and click on the video. But there's one more thing about this lock. It's very hard to open it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 2 drops of oil. 2 drops of oil on each side. Alright, so here we go. That's my dog barking. Make sure it's 2 only. 1. Let's see, 1, 2. Now on the other one right here, it's gonna be 2. 1, 2. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this right here. We're just gonna shake it up a little bit. Open and close. So you can get all the oil around there. One more drop. That should be it. And that's it.